before the game. Talked about going to Air Force next year. I got to meet his dad last year, actually, at the hotel we were staying at in Austin. Used to play for the Kentucky Thoroughbreds, former high-level team in Lexington. Austin dumps one into the zone. Paddington watched by Patilla. Now taken away, Cronin cycles around to the near side. The Bobcats look to start the breakout. Heldon at the half wall. Spinning pass in the middle. There's Kressel to pick it up. He's dispossessed of the puck, but gets it right back. Through center ice, he works it. It's Kressel into the zone. Carries forward. Williams drops at Patilla. Walks in. Backdoor looking for Mayo, just out of his reach. Would have loved to see Royce Patilla just shoot that puck right there. Love the angle and love the pass. But boy, did he have a prime scoring chance there on Buticus. Just for a whistle, as they need to get their legs from under them. Face off in the defensive zone. It's another draw tied up. Bobcats are going to take possession out of it. Mayo with a good slip pass into the middle. Finds Kressel across the Bobcat logo. Now to Williams. Back for Kressel. Bouncing puck. Still loose in his skates. He'll deflect one to the right wing corner. The Bruins now with possession. Skating one forward. Nolan Davis. Big 6'5" defenseman. Feeds Coleman. He's got space. Tries to tuck it home, and a good recovery there by Royce Patilla. Williams didn't know the puck was behind him. Taken away by the Bruins. Worked free in the corner down low. Cronin shields his man off the puck. One hands it forward. Mayo looking to break out. Tries to go off the glass. It goes into the bench. The faceoff will go all the way back down. 230 pounds. Big defenseman from Rochester Hills, Michigan. Played some hockey in his youth with Noah Ziske. Doyle firing one home for the Bruins. Fortunately not scoring first here this evening on home ice. We'll get the official scoring for you here in just 1 second. Bobcats re-enter the zone, dumping it in cross ice. It's going to be Austin Doyle from Trace Day on the scoring. Bruins work it back out to center. Cronin up ahead. That's Doyle's 4th of the season, 8th assist for Day. Buticus around the boards. Finds an open man. Lang's pass deflected. Cronin unable to hold. Tries to bat the puck away from E.J. Paddington. As Patilla's got it. Tries to skate one forward. Takes a knee-on-knee there. No call forthcoming. Puck worked forward. 3-on-2 for the Cats. DeVita sends one on goal, and Buticus controls the rebound. Now Coleman and Rakowski combining, as is E.J. Paddington, the man to his right. That's tied for the lead in the North American Hockey League, along with Cooper Williams. As Austin controls off the draw, fed to the right side. It's Matsby. Back to Williams. Across, looking for Simon. Pass out of reach. The Bobcats bat it back up and now to center. Trying to glove one down, Williams. Good pressure. Kressel able to deflect it to the corner. Unsportsmanlike conduct. The call on Ben Rakowski. What a move. Simon Marshnock taken down on the play. No call there. The Bobcats maybe got away with one on that chance. Bobcats nonetheless dump it down. Williams feeding the right side. Matsby Marshnock on the breakout. Feeds his brother. Now to the left side. Haruza spins one back to the line. The captain, Williams, sauces it. Paddington settles it down. Leaves one for Matsby. Now in the deep slot, Williams works his way. Right wing circle, deflected shot save. Another stop by Callaway. How did he keep that one out? A diving save there from Dane Callaway. Able to keep the puck out of the back of the net somehow. Bruins are right back in on the entry. Haruza takes a check. Spun down the ice by the Cats. Shots on goal right now, 4-3, favoring the Bruins as they'll switch up the power. Matsby Marshnock looking to move ahead on the breakout. He'll skate one up the left wing as his brother to his right side. Matsby in the middle, cuts in, fires. Blocker to side by Callaway. Bobcats can't control the rebound. Paddington holds in as the Bruins go for a change. Round the boards, lips it. Up the wall, Williams surveys, drop pass, lips it, forced out of the zone by Mark Evans. He's at the end of a shift, going off for a change, as will Ziske. Re-entering right back in. Coleman, sharp angle, wide of the net, rings around the boards. Albert picks it up, fires one across. Williams dumps it to the corner. Paddington, a big hit late on Paddington by Jimmy Dodig, and he gets a receipt. That's going to be a penalty on Coleman here, as Paddington still down on the ice. Fed into the middle, top shot toward the net, wide of the cage. Paddington just getting back to his feet right now as Austin touches up, and Dodig, they'll be down to 10 forwards on this penalty kill. It's It's going to be Bro stepping in. Bobcats have to convert here. Kressel spins at the top left wing circle. Has Williams up. Hockey game at 2 with a goal back. So now a tie hockey game here. 4:18 to go, still in the opening period. There's been 4 goals scored in this opening period between the two teams. Austin is right back into the zone. Revenik goes in directly. Davida takes the body check. Jönsson turns it over, lips it in the middle. Shot wide of the net. He'll get his own rebound, take the hit. Physicality ramping up here. Working one free. It's Hugo Krusa. Up the left wing, Davida chips it in. Budica's going to let that one roll to the corner. Rakowski to Jönsson. Turned over as Ellison takes control. Rakowski in on the forward check. Davida in the corner, spinning one around. Poirier onto the ice. Krusa up the wall, nearly intercepted. Davida, backhand play, taken away by the Bruins and flipped out through center. All the way down the length. That'll be a comfort zone heating and air icing call here on the Bruins. So it's 2 power play goals for the Bobcats. 1 for the Bruins. So 3 of the 4 on the special team. We saw that before as well in the series in Austin. It's Austin Doyle behind the net. Up ahead, gets a deflection at center. Glove down by Ziski into the zone. Offside was Lapai right there. Boy, oh boy, did Bros have a face-off back out in front of the Austin bench. One back by the Cats. Patilla loses an edge. Dumps another one! And it's number 2. Underway. Tied up. Francischetti kicks it free. Day dumps it in off the boards. Revenig is there on the recovery. Behind the net. Cycled up the wall. Far side, it's Camden Alamon receiving. Eddie Revenig. Good cross-ice feed. Bouncing puck. Alamon catches up to it, right wing. Has a step. Williams cutting toward the net. Oh, Alamon dumped down. The tripping play there from Perreault. No call forthcoming. 2-on-2, they rush up ahead. Day, good move. And Callaway is there to flip it to the boards. Krusa absorbs the contact from Francischetti. Sent forward by Alamon, but not out. Krusa on the loose puck. Good pass to Kressel as Williams, up the right wing. Said Kressel will dump it in and go off for a change. Day with possession. Dumps it up the wall. Now Dodig. Ziski. Good pass left side. Evans into the zone. 12 seconds till both teams are back to full strength. It's Perreault skating one forward. Works his way into the offensive zone. Takes the hit from Krusa and knocked down to the ice as well. Hugo Krusa not afraid to lay the body. Both teams back to full strength. Here come the Cats. Working through the middle. It's Davida to the left wing. Works around the defense. Circles the net. Looks for a lane in the middle. Looking for Jönsson. Down low off the boards. Rakowski trying to catch up to it. Krusa walks in. Sees a lane. Krusa deflected wide of the net. Getting a piece of that one and might be injured on the play there is Alex Perreault. That one really stung him there. He's back onto his feet. He pins Rakowski to the wall. Matsby Marshanock. Freshly released from the penalty box. Out to center. Picked off Krusa. Now to the right side. Rakowski right back in. Loses the puck behind him. But a good poke check on the recovery to Jönsson. To Rakowski. Wrist shot. Save made by Buticus. And now we've got a penalty upcoming. And I believe there. Face off one back. Patilla to the left side. And it's Patch Cronin here. Beautiful feed. It's going to be Cronin from Kressel and Alamon. Face off one back by the Bruins. Here's Elbert up ahead. Pass deflects in from Paddington. Behind the net, it's Dane Callaway. One turns it over out in front. Pass was blocked. Day drops it. Lips it. Got a man in front of the net. It's Paddington unable to bat that one out of midair. Elbert behind the net. Lips it. Up to the corner. Good poke check by Revenig. The alternate captains for the Cats, but Elbert still got it. Shielded off the play and pinned to the wall. Jönsson watches Lipset cycle up the wall. Lipset taken away. Revenig takes his man down. That's going to be a penalty here on the Bobcats as the Bobcats will touch up the puck. And now to be a man advantage here is Holding. Face off. Taken away by the Cats. Dodig gonna skate one forward, kill some time off. Gets to the red line and pounds it into the zone. Again, it killed off a couple extra seconds, but the Bobcats have to watch. Got a man behind him. That's EJ Paddington. Dodig is back to watch him, but here's Williams with the drop pass, spin across. Matthew Marshnock dumps it in. Bobcats first on the puck. It's Ziski slipping one up and off the boards and down. Regrouping in the defensive zone, it is the Bruins. Up ahead, Matthew Marshnock gains the blue line. Haruza to the corner, taken away. Ziski circles the net, backhands up the wall, but it's held in by the captain, Williams. Haruza loses it. Dodig down the ice. This has been an emphatic comeback for the Bobcats so far here tonight. Look to continue that. Out to the line, Williams. One-time shot. Callaway, a big save. That had some mustard on it. Assists on the night. Gianni DeVita, Xander Lipset meet in the circle. DeVita tries to slap it out. Held in. Albert, right wing score. How did Charlie Kressel steps in. It's one back by the Bruins. Dumped across ice. Matsvi Marshnock catches up to the loose puck. Austin already 2 for 2 on the man advantage. Let's go 3 for 3 and bring it back to within 1 midway through the second. Haruza left side. Simon. Ziski catches up to the loose puck. Unable to clear. Held in the corner there by Simon Marshnock. The Bobcats able to take possession though. Kressel tries to dump it deep. Got his stick tied up there as Alamon tries to dump it down. It'll work its way to the far half wall. Good hit laid. Here's Nathan Williams. Might have numbers. And a man sticking up the right wing. Matthew Marshnock around the defender. Breakaway shot. Save made. Again by Callaway. Puck worked up high. Williams. Simon left the puck behind him. Able to spin it to his brother. What a play. Matsvi into the middle. Gavin Haruza. Now to Williams. Takes some space. Down to the corner. Dodig down to a knee. Sauces it. Simon. Matsvi. Save made by Callaway. A toss out of the face-off circle. Alamon will be forced to come in. Alamon tripped up on the play. Bobcat bench looking for a penalty line. The game hold here. Still a lot of time to be played. We know Austin known for coming back. The face-off is again won by the Bruins. Perreault up ahead. Bouncing puck. Settled down. Paddington in the middle. Day just unable to pull the trigger as Williams had his stick tied up. Oh, they're going to call a penalty on that. Going shorthanded, going on the power play. There's no flow to the game right now. So, again, it's kind of anyone's game as DeVita slaps it off the face-off and down the length. Last goal, Dakota native. Again, Lipset is behind Bobcat defense. Alertly watch him. And another rush. Stopped at the blue as Dodig is able to fling one down and block the entry. Day at the half wall. Dispossessed of the puck. Kressel working it free. Taken back by the Bruins, but another couple seconds killed off. Good kill so far by the Cats. 45 seconds gone. Albert works up ahead. Matsvi Marshnock. Simon hops over the boards. Dodig unable to stop that rush. Kressel tries to work it around the boards. It's turned over. Haruza left wing corner up high. Simon. Williams, Elaine. Right side. Matsvi back to Nathan Williams. Through traffic. Deflected save. Rebound. They score. It's EJ Paddington on the power play. And 3. Now that I'm looking at it, let's see here. Well, I believe both of Cooper's goals were on the power play. So that means Lipset the only one that stays back on the ice. Indirectly off the wall, missing Mayo. Nolan Davis takes it away. Matsvi Marshnock back in his own zone, feeds Simon. Here comes Simon Marshnock right in, toe drag. Shielded off the puck by Cruza. Good defensive play there from Hugo Cruza to Simon Marshnock up against Charlie Kressel. Simon looks over his shoulder, finds Matsvi on the face-off win. Lang, wrist shot, blocker save again, Callaway. Paddington, centering pass. Knocked out of the crease by Callaway. Davis, Simon, turnaround shot, soaked up, Callaway. As now Ziski and Paddington. First North American Hockey League game. Face-off tied up. Simon trying to win it back. DeVito works it to Jonsson up ahead. Rakowski at the red line. Fires it into the zone quickly. Retreated back out by the Bruins. Jonsson picks it off in the middle. Left side, turnaround shot. Snapped into the glove of Solomon for a whistle. So there's the first. Will take a place in there. DeVita, clean win. Patilla walks the line. Eddie Revin. And tied up. Osiashvili, base of the left wing circle. Good turn into the middle looking for Evans. His back was to the puck. Krusa dumps it to the corner. Bobcats work it up high. Reveneg a one-timer. Stick to the corner by Solomon. Paddington circles the net. Oh, Poirier knocked down away from the puck. Man, thought that'd be an interference call there on the Bruins, but no call forthcoming. Lipset, backhands in the middle, picked off. Lipset again, walks, fires, partially deflected. Good block there by the Cats as Krusa settles things down. Revenik sauces into the middle. Krusa searches, up ahead. Wow, now Bobcat taking down. Period of action. 5-4 hockey game after. Kressel lips it in the circle. One back by the Bruins and dumped in off the boards. Patilla up the wall. Nathan Williams has space. Wrist shot deflected. Glove save made by Callaway as it bounces up ahead. A couple of bodies go tumbling down the ice. Icing is waved off. Gus Elbert back in his own zone. Drops it around for Williams. Elbert takes the body from Alamon. It's Williams skating forward. 4-on-3 into the zone. Williams splits the defense right in. Callaway able to knock that one away. Bouncing puck at the goal line. Worked behind the net by the Cats. Puck taken away by Bismarck. Williams across. Charlie Kressel into the zone. Flips one forward. Bounces down to the ice. Nathan Williams back for the Bruins. Goes indirect for the Bobcats 2005-2006 season with 53 assists. So Charlie's got a little bit of time to go, but he's getting there. Jimmy Dodig back at his own blue line. 4 minutes gone in the Sanford Power third period. Gains the red line this time. Backhands it deep. Solomon out of his net to play. Finds Paddington, one of the goal scorers. Poirier poke checks it right back to Paddington. Skates out of his own zone. Pass out of reach. Krusa. A little bit of hounding there from Paddington, trying to work the puck free, but under pressure. Hugo Krusa right there, making a nice play, not turning the puck over in front of his own net. Bobcats will dump it deep. Paddington up ahead, good outlet pass to Haruza, 2-on-2. He's got Sprates with him. Little burst of speed, along the goal line, centering pass, floats out to Davis, goes D to D, Perreault! Wide of the net, as that one caroms off the glass back out to the line. Revenig on the puck. Good saucer pass. Numbers for the Cats. 3-on-3. DeVita's pass deflected. Works to the right side. Rakowski unable to get a shot away. Taken away by the big defenseman for the Bruins. DeVita with a chip pass back into his own zone. Noah Ziski feeds Dodig. Searches. Only 4 guys on the ice right now for a penalty here. That's going to be a trip and a power play. Got to be strong on the kill. Poirier wins it back. Ziski unable to free the puck. Tied up in the corner. Cycled around. Austin's got it. Matsvi Marshinock to the corner. Paddington around. Taking away Ziski. Up the wall. Blocked. Paddington spins it around to the right side again. Here's Matsvi Marshinock. Around Alamon down low. Paddington tries to stuff it home. Save Callaway. Simon takes the hit from behind. That'll be a penalty here on Poirier. And that's another penalty on the Cats, but Solomon gonna go to the bench, and it'll be a 5-on-3. Now we have a wrestling match here as Ziski. Well, now an Austin Bruin has a whole. Stepping in, Haruza will counter him. Kressel unable to win it back. Matsvi Marshinock Williams. Matsby walks, gives it back to Williams. Right side to Simon. Back to the line for Matsby. Left side, Williams in the circle. Nathan Williams, blocker to side, Callaway. Haruza gets a stick lifted, looking to draw a call, doesn't get it. Seam pass, blocked, slapped out of the zone by the Cats. They'll get 3 killers out there. 50 seconds to go on the penalty to Patilla. There will be a 39-second overlap. Pass through the middle, deflects. Bobcats knock it free. It's Revenik off the glass and out. Williams from behind his net, outlets forward, Haruza. Cross the logo, into the zone with 30 on the 5-on-3. Bobcats have killed off 50 seconds of it. Simon, down low, backhand is blocked by Revenik. Cats can't clear. Matsby, Paddington, blocked by Revenik. A Bruin falls to the ice looking for a call. Williams, across on the backhand of Haruza. 10 seconds to go on the 5-on-3. Simon, tees up, fakes, Matsby, blocker save, bouncing puck. Callaway's out of his crease. Simon, back to the line. Williams fanned on it. Patilla's out of the box. It's a 5-on-4. Williams, Simon, whiffed on it. His stick broke on him. Matsby Marshnak behind the net. Cronin dispossesses his man. Bobcats look to clear. They need to get some changes. It's held in. 20 seconds. Williams, save, Callaway. 1 to go in the third period. Kressel, Ziski, Dodig, Alamond. Face-off won by the Cats. Kressel skates one. Are the Bruins stopping that rush? Bobcats win it back on the draw. Jimmy Dodig indirectly finds Williams. Good saucer play in the middle. Kressel with speed. Puck hopped off his stick. Work back out to center. Williams gonna ring one into the zone. Floats on Solomon. Offside as Kressel didn't touch up with the blue. So to come back out to center. More time off the coast. It'll be Williams to come in and take it. Simon wins it back. It's Perreault. At his own blue, drops it to his defensive partner. Doyle under pressure from Kressel. Works to the half wall. Will get it free. Out to center. It's outletted up ahead. Matsby Marshnak poked away at center by Jimmy Dodig. And it's just about stopping those rushes and keeping the lines moving. Simon Marshnak takes a hit. Callaway out of his net. Around the boards. Williams off the glass. Out to center. Puck drops just in front of the Austin Blue before being hacked all the way back down. Dodig. He'll gallivant forward into the offensive zone. Drops behind the net. Takes the hit from Francis Sketty. He's got it behind the net. Pass through the middle of the ice. Finds Sam Klein in stride. Here he comes through the neutral zone. Fires one in off the boards. Albert takes the hit. Up ahead for Osiashvili. Gets the deflection. Gets the stanchion glass there. Time will still tick on. Flood up the left wing. Gets the deflection from Francis Sketty to the corner. Lays a hit on Revenig. Now Revenig returns the favor. Sharp angle shot. High off the glass. Out to the line. Williams. Across. Albert a shot. Deflected along the goal line wide. Krusa picks up the loose change and he'll deflect one out to center. Hits a couple of bodies. Bobcats unable to change on that one. Just one actually. Osiashvili hops off. Now Poirier will join as well. Evans out to center. Finds Kressel. The Bobcats still searching for their first shot of the period. 17 and a half minutes in. 2:50 to go still in the Sanford Power third. We'll keep our eye on Jack Solomon. Williams back in his own zone. Around the boards finds Patilla. Up the wall, Kressel. Again, skied out through center. Bouncing puck. Had enough mustard on it for an icing call. 2:33 to go. Watching that bench. Simon Marshnak out there for the faceoff. Kressel unable to win it. Matsby. Right side. It is 7 shots in the period for Austin. None for the Bismarck Bobcats. Looking to work one up ahead. They defended for 17 and a half minutes. Just didn't close the job. Noah Ziski across the red line, gains entry into the zone. Works one to the corner, hit off the puck. Williams, watched by Rakowski. Lips it behind the net. It is Gus Elbert on the assist. Simon Marshanock gets his first point, extends it to 19 games. Wow. So he saved his point streak right there. Here's Dodig into the zone. Cuts to the right side. Dumps it down low. Nobody there for the Cats. You got to watch out here with Austin with the momentum now. They find a late one to win the game. Ziski, cross ice. Nobody there. Haruza right back on the ice with 45 to play. Off the glass, out to center. Klein goes off the boards and in. Both teams going for a change here. Revenik still on the ice. Now it's Dodig. Across. Kressel. Let's grab that one from behind him. Trying to feed Williams up ahead. He's got a right wing circle. Cooper Williams. Back down to the ice by Gus Elbert. No call forthcoming. But a couple of bodies topple on top of each other. And now they're going to blow it dead. Day and Alamond engaged. Up against Klein in the circle. Linesman's got it. Bruins win it back. Pushed around the boards. Paddington looking to move up. Out through center. It's going to roll. Callaway played it. That would have been an icing call there on the Bruins. Here's Klein into the zone offside with 5.8 to go in the Bobcats now playing for overtime. Bobcats win it back. Dodig out through center. And the buzzer will sound. Heading to overtime. Bobcat gets taken down. Oh, no call. I don't know if they're going to get the call in overtime here as Alamon hops off. Williams is on with Revenig and Kressel. Revenig into the zone. Williams. Back to Revenig. Right wing circle. 3 minutes to go in overtime. No shots for the Cats. Williams carries back out to center. Ziski hops onto the ice. Paddington pressuring Williams. Good feet up ahead. Kressel 1-on-2 into the zone. Nobody there for the Bobcats. Kressel nearly taken away and is 2-on-2. Paddington to the corner. Pinned by Williams. Kressel works it free. Bobcats with a 2-on-2. Got to slow things down here. Ziski up ahead. Linesman nearly collides with Ziski going into the zone. Noah Ziski. Deep slot. Kressel in the middle. Has to spin back again. The Bobcats got nothing. Good move, Kressel trying to work around Haruza, and he couldn't. Oh, miscommunication from the Cats. Williams was going off for a change. Now Bruin gets taken down. No call there. Austin trying to complete a change here. The Marchnocks back on the ice.
The Thunder Bay, Ontario native. He'll bring it to his left, to the middle. He scores! Went top corner and rips it.
Oh, E.J. Paddington. Man. Paddington picks it up at center. Skates out left. Cuts in, scores.